Hi everyone! Happy Sunday! It's 1:45 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria, guys. At super makulimlim, guys, at umaambon. At malamig na rin talaga, guys. Kaya napag-isipan kong magluto ng arroz caldo, guys. Instead na guys na boiled egg ang nilagay ko, ang ginawa ko guys is scrambled egg na lang. And with a twist of spinach. So, nilagyan ko siya guys ng young spinach, yung aking arroz caldo. So, eto guys, loaded of chicken tayo guys. Kain tayo guys ng napakarasarap ng Jonas arroz caldo. So, itong arroz caldo ko guys ay kakaiba. Kasi, eto pa lang yung arroz caldo na nakita ko ng with spinach. So, hindi ko alam guys So, kain tayo guys ng arroz caldo with spinach. Babush!